In today, remove extra spaces world of advanced manufacturing, precision is everything. From aerospace to defense, from medical implants to engine components, industries require parts that are not only highly accurate, but geometrically complex. That remove extra spaces, exactly where 5-axis CNC machining comes into play. What is 5-axis CNC machining? Traditional 3-axis machines operate on linear axes, X, Y, and Z. A 5-axis CNC machine adds 2 rotary axes, usually B and C, allowing the cutting tool to tilt and swivel, enabling access to virtually any part surface. The result? More complex geometry, fewer setups, shorter cycle times, higher accuracy, all in a single setup. Why choose 5-axis CNC? 1. Unmatched precision. Complex geometries can be machined in one go, reducing positioning errors and holding tolerances down to the micron. 2. Superior surface finish. By keeping the cutting tool at optimal angles, 5-axis machining minimizes vibration and tool wear, delivering exceptionally smooth surfaces, often with no need for secondary polishing. 3. Greater design flexibility. Engineers can now design parts that were previously impossible or too costly to produce using traditional methods. 4. Efficiency and cost savings. Faster cycle times and fewer manual operations lead to lower production costs and quicker delivery. Smart technology behind 5-axis CNC. Smart CNC controls. Think of it as a super brain for your machine. AI-driven programming automatically generates optimal toolpaths, compensates for errors in real time, and ensures each cut is perfectly executed. Advanced tooling. From ball nose end mills to tapered cutters, specialized coatings boost tool life by over 200%, making it easy to machine hard steels and exotic superalloys. Visual programming. Modern CAM software makes programming intuitive and visual, mapping out every tool path, avoiding collisions, and optimizing the cutting sequence. Even beginners can create pro-level programs. What remove extra spaces next? The future of manufacturing lies in full automation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.